Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab. Today we have our Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit for the 2013 to 18 6.7 Cummins. So the 13 to 18 4th Gen Cummins is a very popular model year range. We sell a lot of product for the 13 to 18 platform and offer quite a few upgrades. One of those most common upgrades and most popular ones is our intercooler pipe kits. So what we did is package together both the hot and cold side intercooler pipe for the 13 to 18 and made it our Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit. We do offer these pipes available separately if you've got upgraded turbochargers that are not VGT style and would just like to purchase the driver's side, or you've got just a failed passenger side and only want to upgrade one. You can purchase these pipes separately. In the bundle kit package, it saves you a little bit of money versus buying them individually. So let's talk about these intercooler pipes and how they differ from the OEM components. On the 13 to 18 model truck, both the hot and cold side OEM pipe is 2 3/4 inch in diameter, and both intercooler pipes use a long angled silicone boot at the connection to the intercooler. Long boots and angled boots are a failure point, not only on older, higher mileage trucks, but especially so if you've got upgraded turbochargers or performance tuning, creating higher boost or higher temperatures. So when we went to design our pipes, we had two things in mind: more flow, more reliability. We achieved that by going to a larger diameter pipe than factory. Both the hot and cold side is 3.5 inch diameter, 14 gauge mandrel bent tubing. It's smooth, nice, free-flowing bends, unlike the factory components. The factory components have sharp bends, and on the passenger side even has a very large dented area where the pipe is nearly 2 1/4 inches in diameter. So both of our pipes are smooth with no dents the whole way, 3.5 inch, and they still fit in the factory location. And we use straight silicone boots. We get rid of the angled boots at the intercooler connection, and we get rid of the long boot connection at the turbocharger. So that means more reliability, having those shorter boots, and a much higher quality boot than the OEM component. 5-ply silicone boot, all made in the USA. So on the hot side, which is the passenger side turbo outlet, we've got 2 reducer boots to connect to the outlet of the turbocharger to the 3.5 inch pipe, and then to reduce back down, unfortunately the intercooler is a little bit smaller in size, 2 3/4 inch. So we neck down to that 2 3/4 inch intercooler with those reducer boots. On the cold side, very similar to the hot side, we've got a reducer boot coming out of the intercooler to adapt to that 3.5 inch intercooler pipe. And this gives you a full 3.5 inch flow to your intake horn. At the connection of the intake horn is a 3.5 inch straight boot, meaning there's no restrictions from the intercooler to the engine. Whether you're running a factory intake horn or an upgraded aftermarket horn, as long as that aftermarket horn ends at the factory location and is meant to work with a factory style intercooler pipe, our pipe will be compatible. So that gives you a nice, smooth, free-flowing setup all the way to the intake of the engine. So what kind of gains can be had with these pipes? Bolt-on intercooler pipes does not net you 10 or 15 horsepower, but it does improve the longevity of the engine and the turbocharger and the intercooling system, because you are increasing the flow capacity through the whole system, which means less restriction. When you increase the size of these pipes and increase the flow through the intercooling system, everything can work more efficiently compared to the neck down factory components. On the hot side pipe, compared to the OEM intercooler pipe, we've got a massive 51% increase in airflow on the flow bench. 584 CFM versus 884 CFM out of the WCFab 3.5 inch pipe. On the cold side, very similar, net a 44% increase in airflow versus the OEM component. 613 CFM versus 883 CFM. So last but not least, the powder coat finish. Obviously WCFab is very well known for our powder coat finishes, and we offer these intercooler pipes in about any color you could imagine. WCFab gray in front of us, along with WCFab red, gloss black, and gloss white, in stock colors that are quick to ship. Or if you've got a little time and you're willing to wait, you can choose any of the custom colors with a little bit of extended lead time. You can also check out our dealer network A lot of these products are in stock through our dealer network and can be available locally to you to help with installation if needed. So that wraps up our Stage 1 high flow bundle kit for the 13 to 18 Cummins. We do also offer our Stage 2 high flow package, which are these intercooler pipes with the addition of our 4-inch high flow intake kit. If you've got any questions about any of our product that we offer for the 6.7 Cummins, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team. We'd be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching.